Hello everybody, this is Mario and welcome to this new video. In this video, I'm going to show Windows users how they can set up their development environment so that they can download and install Libra on their Windows machine. So, what's the plan? In a nutshell, we are going to enable virtualization. This sounds very complicated, but in fact it's not. It actually comes down to performing these 4 steps. First of all, we will download Vagrant that allows us to interact easily with virtual machines. Secondly, we will download VirtualBox that makes virtualization possible. In both cases, the process of downloading this software is pretty easy. You can perform the download and installation on your own. After that, we will add Linux Debian Box. This is pretty much the Linux machine that we are going to run. Finally, we are going to configure the server. Don't panic, this is going to be very easy. It comes down to writing 5 lines of code. So let's jump into it. I've already opened my command line tool. For the sake of this example, I will assume that you will have already downloaded and installed VirtualBox and Vagrant. We are now in the root of our project. First of all, we will create a new folder. We will call it Libra VM. Now we will go into it. We are now going to run a simple command which allows us to import the image of our Linux system. It's vagrant box add debian / 64. It's gonna take a while, and a few things are going to be printed on the screen. Yeah, this is done. We now have our new box installed on our PC. We are now ready to configure our virtual machine. We will do that using the command line tool. We just need to insert this command, which is nano vagrant file enter. At this point, the text editor is going to open. All we have to do is to write down 6 lines of code inside the text editor. I'm going to pause the video while I write it down so that you don't have to waste your time watching me typing stuff. When I'm done, you can just copy that. Okay, here we go. You just have to copy that on your text editor and you will be fine. Basically, what the code is saying is vagrant configure virtual machine debian / 64, and after that is going to assign 2 gigs of memory to the virtual machine, and also it's assigning 4 CPUs. Now we can save our file and exit. We do that pressing Ctrl X. Done. Our virtual machine is ready for action, but at the minute it's doing nothing because first we must turn it on. So let's just do it. We do it with the command vagrant up. Make sure you spell it correctly. Vagrant up. Let's see. It's going to take a while to turn it on. Be patient. More stuff appearing on the screen. This is good news. Okay, we are done. This is working. Now we can log into the system. It takes just one simple command to do that. It's vagrant SSH. Vagrant SSH. Once again, it's going to take a while. Let's see. We are done. Before going any further, let's just clear some of this junk with the command clear. Alright. Afterwards, we will install 2 pieces of software that will allow us to carry on with the project. First of all, we're going to install Git. Okay, so it's going to be sudo apt-get install git. Let's see if it works. You want to continue? Yes. Alright, this is gonna take a moment. We are done. Git is installed. Let's now install curl. We do that by using the command sudo apt-get install curl enter. You want to continue? Yes. It's gonna take a while again. We are done. So congratulations, you're done. There is nothing left to do. Now your Windows machine is ready to work with Libra. So let's recap. In this video, we set up the virtual environment for your Windows machine. We downloaded and installed Vagrant and VirtualBox. And after that, we also set up the Linux virtual server, and we also installed in it a couple of handy softwares such as Git and curl. In the next video, we are going to download and install Libra. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video.